Welcome to my famous, well-known, innovative, popular and unique educational channel to watch more creative videos on Python with Flask. This video is for recalling my memories of machine learning using Python. I have experienced web programming and machine learning, but little bit of cloud computing. So let us go through the program. Today's program is about face recognition using Flask. I have done face recognition using Python. I have done face recognition using Streamlit in Python. Today I will be doing face recognition using Flask. So let us see in detail. This file, har cascade front file. This file is very important. It is used for face detector when webcam is started. Then CV2 library. CV2 library is for digital image. Now we'll go through the program. Face CV2 library is much important. Then face site. These are the modules. Then Flask, render template, redirected to that index.html. Upload. I need to upload the image for face recognition, and file name, and here path prediction predicted, and cv2.im right. It is used for save the image to the file. Now I will execute the program. Yes, server started. Now, yes, it is little bit small. So choose the file. I will take the obviously Shah Rukh Khan file. Now, yes, process image. Eyes are detected, face is detected. So image recognition using Python using Flask. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel, share with your friends. I will be back if possible more creative videos using Flask, if possible Streamlit, then React.js, Node.js, one stack, full stack, machine learning, Python. Thanks for watching.